It's 11 p.m. 3 assignments are due tomorrow, notes scattered across apps, notebooks, and random screenshots. And there's ChatGPT right there, ready to write the entire assignment in 30 seconds. Tempting, right? But here's the thing. Professors can clearly make out AI-generated submissions when they see one. And more importantly, that's not actually learning. The better question isn't, can AI do my homework? It's, can AI help me learn faster and work smarter? That's what this video is about. Not cheating the system, but using AI the smart way to understand better, organize faster, and have time for a life beyond assignments. And the best part? It gets even easier with ClickUp Brain, the world's most contextual AI, which works like a study assistant who's already read all your notes and knows exactly what you're struggling with. Let's break down 5 smart ways students can use AI without cutting corners. And stick around till the end, there's a bonus tip that'll save you hours during revision. The first approach focuses on breaking complex topics down. Here's what most students do wrong. They simply type, "Write my essay on cellular respiration." That's not learning. That's just copy-pasting with extra steps. The better prompt here can be, "Explain cellular respiration, like I'm 10 years old. Then show me the college-level concepts and how they connect." See the difference? Now you are actually understanding the concept, not just submitting something that AI wrote for you. Want to make this even smoother? With ClickUp, this happens right inside the workspace. Store notes in ClickUp Docs, ask Brain to explain confusing parts, and it uses those notes as context. Next up is organizing research and notes. Most students have notes everywhere. Google Docs, Apple Notes, random screenshots, notebook pages, voice memos. If you are one of those students, good luck finding anything when it's time to study. The fix is simple. Keep everything in one place. ClickUp Docs becomes the central hub for your class notes, research, readings, and everything. Then, when there's too much information to process, just ask Brain to summarize. What are the key themes in these lecture notes? Brain reads them and pulls out relevant information. Information overload turns into actual, organized knowledge. Moving on to the third tip, creating study guides and practice questions. If you ask AI for answers, you'll memorize the words, not the concept. Instead, use AI to create questions from your own notes. Ask Brain, "Create 10 practice questions from my notes on the French Revolution. Include a mix of recall and application questions." Now you're testing yourself, finding gaps, and improving faster. Fourth, visual learning and brainstorming. Not everyone learns by reading walls of text. Some concepts need to be seen, mapped out, and connected visually. That's where ClickUp whiteboards come in. Mind map essay structures, diagram the scientific processes, map historical timelines, connect ideas visually. And here's the smart part. Ask Brain to help structure the whiteboard. What are the main branches I should include in a mind map about World War II causes? ClickUp Brain suggests the framework and students fill in the learning. And finally, managing assignments and deadlines. Here's a familiar pattern. You ignore the assignment for 3 weeks, panic at the last minute, ask AI to write it, barely submit on time, and your stress levels rise through the roof. The smart approach? Break the project into tasks the day it's assigned. Set reminders. Plan ahead. Create a task in ClickUp for the research paper. Add subtasks. Find 5 sources, outline main arguments, draft introduction, review and edit. Set due dates for each step, and ClickUp reminds you when it's time to study. Alright, so those were the 5 main ways in which AI can help you study. And before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip that saves your time. Recording and reviewing lectures. Zoned out for 5 minutes in an online lecture and missed the one main explanation that makes everything click, or frantically scribbling notes and missing half of what's being said. ClickUp AI Note Taker solves this. Record the lecture, get a transcript, and let Brain summarize the key points. It saves time and makes revision way less painful. Here's why ClickUp Brain is different from regular AI tools. Most AI tools live outside your workflow. Every time you use them, you have to paste notes, explain the assignment, and repeat the context. Brain lives inside the workspace where all the study materials already are. So you're not using AI to replace learning. You're using it to learn better and move faster. And if you want to study effectively this semester, try ClickUp Brain and build a system you'll actually stick to.